Good afternoon, teacher. Today I'm gonna talk about the Odoo EOP seminar. And there are 5 members in my team, me, Lisa Perea, and my friends. So I'm gonna share what Odoo is and what we learned during the seminar, and also the activity that we did. So let's get started. About the speaker. So first, the speaker was a woman from Jakarta, Indonesia. She worked at Odoo and she was really friendly. She explained everything in a simple way. So it was kind of easy for us to understand, even though most of us didn't know much about ERP before. And about Odoo, so what is Odoo? Basically, Odoo is an open source ERP software from Belgium. It helps businesses manage everything in one place, like sales, inventory, human resource, accounting, marketing, and more. Instead of using a lot of different software, companies can just use Odoo to connect everything together. For Odoo around Asia, one thing that I found interesting was that Odoo is also growing in Asia. The speaker mentioned that Odoo has offices in Hong Kong and Indonesia. So it's not only popular in Europe anymore. And more company more in Asia are using it now. So I pass to Tirat for the next slide.
So let's move to another slide. My name is Sotira and I'm going to present about the slide continue. So before showing the software, she has talked about some problem that a lot of company have, like they have to do much manual work, repeated data entry, waste time. A lot of human error cause the big problem, and also the different department that use the different software, which make it hard to communicate. Flow communication between teams, and finally it's difficult to manage and find the data. So there are modules that work together in one system like CRM that stands for Customer Relationship Management and Sale. The second is inventory and purchase. The third is accounting. The fourth is human resource, and finally is marketing and e-commerce. For the live demonstrate, we had after the introduction, she gave us the demo like customer management, product creation, and sale order. And we can also create our website and customize it, and store the data in cloud, inventory and purchase order, delivery, and e-commerce website. And finally, it's all feature work together in one system. And next, I'm gonna pass this to my next member.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Vitu. So let's move on to my slide. Let's talk about our hands-on activity. After the demo, it was our turn to try it. We used the Odoo training database and practice creating products, publishing them on the website, making sales orders, creating purchase orders, and completing deliveries. This was probably my favorite part because we got to use the system ourselves instead of just watching from the crowd. So what did I actually learn from this seminar? What I actually learned is what ERP actually is and why companies use it. Before this, I kind of thought Odoo was just another software, but now I understand that it connects different departments and makes work much more easier. Overall, I just enjoy this seminar. It wasn't just about listening because we also had a live demo and hands-on practice. I learned a lot in a short time and now I'm interested in learning more about ERP systems. I think this knowledge is gonna be really useful if I work in software development or IT in the future. Let's move on to the next seminar.
Hello teacher, my name is Pasan Badam and today I'm going to present about Plug and Play and Innovate Cambodia Accelerator program. So for our speaker we have Ms. Pisailim and Mr. Rabolons. So for our seminar overview, we have the Innovation Cambodia Accelerator program led by Plug and Play, aimed to support startup and foster innovations in Cambodia. So for our main goal is explain how startup accelerator support innovations, share opportunities for Cambodian entrepreneurs, and explain global partnership and networking benefits. So for key insight, part 1, we have global opportunity for startup. So Cambodia connect to a global innovation network through plug and play. Startup gain access to international market and global partner. Networking play a critical role in startup growth. Entrepreneurs can leverage cross-border mentorship and resource. For key takeaway, we think global connection help startup grow faster and reach new market.
Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. I'm Poch Siu-mei, and I'm continue from part Sambat. Moving on to the next part of this seminar, one important message was that startup need more than just good idea. A successful startup also require mentorship, training workshop, fundraising opportunity, and a strong business knowledge. The speaker emphasized that technical skills alone are not enough. Entrepreneurs also need management skill, communication skill, and the ability to adapt to challenge. Another important topic was the role of innovation in Cambodia development. Innovation encourage entrepreneurship, support commercialization of new ideas, create jobs, and strengthen the country innovation ecosystem. The key takeaway from the session is a great idea is only just the beginning. To succeed, startup need structure, support, guidelines, and access to resources. Going to the analysis and reflection, from this seminar, we learned the importance of innovation and entrepreneurship in Cambodia future development. We were motivated to explore opportunity in technology and innovation-related fields. The seminar also helped us realize that success requires continued learning, mentorship, networking, and collaboration with others. In addition, we understood how a accelerator program can help local startups connect with international market and global partners. Personally, this seminar encouraged us to develop a more innovative mindset when solving problems and inspire us to contribute to Cambodia's growing startup ecosystem in the future. Thank you. That's all for our seminar.